Welcome back to my channel. It has been a while again since I've filmed the video. Update, tripod has been located. It was in the garage. I don't know why it was in the garage, but it was in the garage. What bag to begin with? Ooh, also a bonus clip at the end of a few things that I got at the Target dollar spot, so stay tuned. We'll start with this bag here. So Christmas is in full effect at the Dollar Tree if you haven't noticed. So there's actually quite a few Christmas items in here. But figured I'd share because if you see them and you want them, you need to grab them now because they're not going to be there in a few weeks. So the first item I got was this little kitchen towel. I definitely don't need towels at all for my kitchen, but I really liked this one. And it says, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, and it has little Christmas trees all over. So I really liked this one. I thought it looked really nice, probably more than $1's worth. And then I guess keeping with the Christmas theme, I got this little candle holder, and it'll probably be hard to see. Yeah, it's really hard to see. So this has a bunch of trees and deer on it. I think it's really beautiful. It's like a frosted glass, and then all of the different shapes. So there's trees, snowflakes, and deer. They're all coated in like a gold paint. So nice size too, and I think it'd be really pretty with a little tea light in it, so I picked it up for $1. And then got another pair of socks from Nicholas. This is like there's a fishing pole and some hooks and some fish, all of those kinds of things. So I picked those up for him. And then I picked up this bath bomb. So this is in a star shape, but it's called a colorful swirl bath burst. So it's supposed to kind of, if this will focus, it's supposed to kind of turn your bath water kind of a, I don't know, rainbow effect and kind of swirl around. So we'll see how it actually works, but I really do like having these because oftentimes I don't like using my really expensive bath bombs because I take a bath probably at least once a week, so that would get real expensive. And then I got some tea tree oil. So this is just nice to have. Balances skin, tones skin, insect repellent. I don't know. I use it for all sorts of things, so I wanted to pick up another one of these while I could see them in the store. These two items, I was really excited to see these. These are liquid lipsticks. They're by the brand Remy Rose. They had a ton of them, and they're all named like female names. So I picked up Emily and Lindsay. They look almost identical in color, and they probably will show up on camera looking identical. One of them's a little bit more of a warm tone, and one of them's a little bit more of a cool tone. These are definitely my colors, and I actually tried both, and I really liked the formula on these a lot. They're very long wearing, and they're actually pretty comfortable too if your lips aren't super chapped or anything. So if you see these, I mean, the size of them isn't that big, but for how often I actually wear liquid lipstick, this is gonna last me a long time. So for $1, I would definitely recommend picking these up. They also had some glosses, and I think like one actual lipstick, but like a cream lipstick versus a liquid lipstick. So these are really nice. If you can find them, pick them up, I would say, as soon as you see them, because my store is already out of all of these, the Emily and the Lindsay colors. A few items that aren't in their packaging. So the Dollar Tree came out with some notepads. So we have this one, which says happy hour, and these are Moscow mules. On the back, it's also, as I drop it on myself, it's also a Moscow mule. And then the inside is cute because it has that Moscow Mule design, and then you probably won't be able to see this. It probably looks just like white paper and really washed out. But at the top, it also says happy hour on it. So really cute, well made. They're a little wobbly because they only have a couple of rings at the top holding them together, but my husband is in liquor sales, liquor, wine, and beer sales, so I thought these would be really cute for him for work. And then this one says, I'll drink to that. And it's got that metallic, same on the back. And then on the inside, it also carries on that I'll drink to that theme. They had another one that I think said, let's spice things up or something. But we just picked up these two. And then I also purchased a couple of these. So these are just placemats. I don't think they're really the best deal or anything, but we did just buy a new kitchen table, so I wanted to have some placemats on hand so we weren't scuffing it up at all. So I just picked up, I think, 2 of these. They've also kind of matched with our kitchen theme. I have like blues and this kind of color everywhere, so nice to have. They say always stay humble and kind of like that country song. We can start off with this big guy. So I don't know if this is old, but the other like different signs that I could find that looked like this were very like garden themed, so I think maybe I missed the boat and these were put out late. I don't know, but this little sign says good things are coming. It's definitely made out of like actual like hardwood, which is really cool, and I liked, number one, I liked the look of it, but number two, I really liked the saying on it, and I liked the little flower. Once I get my bookshelf in there, I'm definitely gonna put this up. Just, it's always nice to have something optimistic in your office space or in your cubicle, wherever you work. So I had to pick this up for $1, and if you're really into DIYs, which I'm not, but if you are, I would check these out because these are solid wood and can easily be painted. So check them out at your Dollar Tree. Let's see, what shall I grab next? I guess I can do these. So this is another Christmas item. These are little rolls of craft fabric, and they have the red truck, which everybody knows about the red truck, I guess. It's kind of the hot commodity. I am actually more into like the campers and that sort of thing, but I thought that this fabric was really cute. Sorry, Mom, I'm probably gonna ask you to make another pillow. Don't hate me. But I think these will be great for pillows. It's 20 by 21, so it's gonna be a lot bigger than like these placemat pillows. Yeah, I made this out of a placemat from last year. I think they had these this year too, but anyways, so I would open one of these. I probably should open one of these up to show what it looks like, but I kind of want to be able to throw it back together too, so we'll see how this goes. But I think this would make a really cute winter pillow. Oh yeah, oh, this is really cute. So it's just your classic red truck. It says farmer's market on it. So really, this isn't even like, I thought this was more of like a Christmas print, but this is something that you can use year round. So I'm into it. I like it a lot. Definitely worthy of a pillow. Problem is I can't sew, or I don't have a sewing machine. I feel like I could sew if I really wanted to, but definitely do not have a sewing machine, so we shall see on that. I thought, again, like I said, I thought it was Christmas themed, but it's not, so this could be used year round. Another item that I've seen in the Dollar Tree for a while, but I finally decided to pick them up, are these shower fizzies. I bought some other ones and I haven't used them yet, but these are eucalyptus and spearmint, which is like probably one of my favorite combinations of scents. And basically what you do is you put this in an area of your shower that doesn't get super wet, and it's supposed to just be a kind of like an aromatherapy shower situation. So obviously I take more showers than I do baths, so I figured I would try these out. I did use a couple of my face masks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I have this one. This is a Moisture Repair Serum Boost. It's the Juice Cleanse Watermelon Raspberry, and this was fantastic, so I repurchased another one. I have another Juice Cleanse one. I think it's like a green apple and something else, something green. But I just wanted to pick up a replacement for the one that I used. And then this thing, this is a Pocket Aroma Personal Diffuser, and this is in the scent Harmony, which is sweet orange, cinnamon bark, clove bud, fern balsam, ginger root, and nutmeg. So it sounds super Christmassy to me, but I'm very interested to see how, so it's not really diffuser, because I feel like with a diffuser you always are to use water, although I have seen the ones where you just drop it. But I kind of want to open this up and see how in the world this works. I was reading it in the store, and I think you're just supposed to squeeze it, like this blue part. It's kind of like a nose spray situation. Wait, okay. It looks like a lighter. Wow, you can really smell it from outside of the packaging. So, flip up the nozzle on the lid so the small opening faces up. Hold nozzle opening 1 to 2 inches below your nose. So it definitely smells like Christmas, but I don't really understand this. Squeeze colored sides and release natural essential oil vapors. I don't know. I would suggest passing up on these. It's very strange. I don't really understand it. Well, now you know not to get that, because I bought it mistakenly. I bought a garbage can. Nick has daily contacts, and he leaves them everywhere. So trying to prevent that from happening, and my hair is so stuck onto this because it is basically winter time now and static is intense. But I picked this up for him so he can just throw his contacts into this instead of putting them on the nightstand or wherever he can find. And then this last item I'm gonna bring home for Mama Kim this weekend. I have a jade roller, and I bought one of these already, and I found they had just restocked, so I found another one. I had mine in the fridge when we were moving, and Mama Kim tried it and liked it, so I don't know, for $1 it's kind of fun to have. And that's everything from the Dollar Tree, but then I found 2 items from Target, the dollar spot, that I wanted to touch on as well. So the first one is this guy. For anyone who has food allergies, they probably are aware of this, but there's something called the Teal Pumpkin Project for trick-or-treaters, so kids who have really intense allergies. So this year I actually registered with the Teal Pumpkin Project. So my trick-or-treaters can either get candy, so I have candy for the regular trick-or-treaters, and then I also have spider rings and Halloween erasers. But I registered, but you're also supposed to put out a teal pumpkin, but I had a really hard time finding these for relatively cheap. So this was $3. I wish it would have been closer to $1. It's not that nice or anything, but if you're struggling to find a teal pumpkin and you want to participate in this, I would suggest checking out your Target dollar spot, because they had this kind that was just like plain, and then they had some with designs on it too. So figured I would share this. And then they seemed to have a bunch of like state things. So, place Matt down. So I was seeing a lot of Wisconsin stuff as well as some Colorado stuff, which I'm wondering if it was just a misshipment or something. But I picked up these ceramic coasters for for our new kitchen table, you're not gonna be able to see any of it, are you? So basically all it is a white coaster with an imprint of the state of Wisconsin, and then it just says Wisconsin on the inside of the state. And then it also has that nice cork backing. So these were $3 as well. I think a really good price. And I wanted some really nice coasters to have on the table just so that we're playing it safe. I don't need any rings on the new table. But I really liked the look of these, and I don't know, I like home state stuff. But yeah, this is one of the better hauls that I've had in a really long time. I'm excited about the holiday season, and I'm excited to bring you more items from the Dollar Tree and maybe the Target Dollar Spot. Let me know what you think of my Target Dollar Spot items and what else you're seeing in your Target Dollar Spot right now. I'm very interested to see what they're going to have for their holiday season as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.